Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello friends, this is Veronica, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. And today I have a very special guest that I want to introduce to you for our cafecito time, Mr. Cafecito. Say hello. He's a little shy on camera, but he's joining me today for our cafecito time. And I wanted to do a new kind of series of pairing coffee with tasty desserts and treats, because who doesn't love a tasty treat with their coffee? We don't always have treats with our coffee, but when we do, this is one of our favorites, right? And since we just celebrated National Donut Day, what goes better with coffee than donuts? And this is one of our favorite donut places here where we live. It's not a chain, it's not fancy. They just have very good traditional donuts, you know, like a chocolate twist, old fashioned, and a new favorite is a cronut, a croissant donut. If you haven't tried it yet, you guys need to try it. It's like the best of both worlds. So we're going to be doing a series of different coffees, you know, what to pair with a latte, a cappuccino, Americano, just different things like that, and what pastries or other food items, because coffee goes great with a lot of things, not just donuts, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we love coffee, we love donuts. Our love began with coffee, so coffee is an important part of just our relationship, our lifestyle. You know, whenever we say, let's go have a drink, it's usually coffee, not something alcoholic. But anyways, yeah, these are some of our favorites. We have a cronut, chocolate twist, and just a maple old fashioned. Try the coffee. Tell me what it tastes like. I just made a regular Colombian coffee in the Nespresso, and no sugar because it has half and half. No sugar because we're having the sugar here in the donuts. So we're gonna try the chocolate twist. Here you go. Cheers to some cafecito. Pretty good, pretty good. And this is National Donut Day, but you'll probably be watching this video after National Donut Day, but it's always Donut Day on House of Cid. So yeah, so in the comments, let me know what's your favorite pastry or treat to have with your coffee. What's your favorite coffee pairing? We have a lot of delicious bakeries, pastries, and places here where we live, and we just want to highlight those places and share some of our favorites with you guys. So in the comments, make sure you leave me a comment. Let me know what's your favorite coffee pairing, and maybe I'll try it out too. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yes, it's our channel, because even though you only see me on camera, he's the behind the scenes. So thank you to Mr. Cafecito for helping out with the videos. And thank you guys for liking our videos, subscribing. Make sure you subscribe and leave us a comment. So we're gonna just enjoy our donuts and cafecito, and we'll see you guys next week with some more cafecito. Good. Anything else you want to say or add or do?
Nope. We'll split the cronut later.
Yes, this will be for later. And we usually share. We'll share coffee, we'll share donuts. You know, sharing is caring. Isn't that what they taught us in school? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.